Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have what feels like a very random video. I was on Target.com and I saw this. What is this? Who knows? Okay, I've heard nothing about this doll. I have not seen any like sneak peeks about it on the sneak peek Instagrams that I follow. I just saw her new in stock when I searched dolls on Target and I was like, that's kind of cute. So I picked one up. It was only like $20. It's fully articulated. She does have a giant head, which I am extremely prejudiced against giant head dolls. Sometimes, most of the time, a lot of the time. But this feels very cute. Like, something about it is real speaking to me. I think I'm prejudiced because like I feel like I have a giant head, so it just feels like it's calling me out. But yeah, she's a sports doll. She's articulated. There's 1, 2, 3 other dolls. There's, this one's the skateboard doll. There's a surf doll, a snowboard doll, and a roller skate doll. Also, this is not a tech deck, but it feels like a tech deck to me, so it's giving me like a very specific sort of nostalgia. Yeah. I'm gonna open her. I'm gonna tell you guys what I think about her. Maybe I'll paint her. Who knows? Let's get into it though. Okay, so this is the packaging. I actually really like it. I don't know. I think it's simple. I like this font. Roxy dolls. I like the packaging. I like that the doll is like nice and big in the back. And you can see all her friends. The side. I don't know. It's just like, it's kind of simple, but it's nice. And I feel like it gets the point across. She's open. Oh my god. This doll is pretty cute. Her head is like real weird, so it has a lot of articulation, but it like kind of jerks when I try to bend it down. I feel like, I don't know because I have no idea, but I feel like there's like a ball under here or something for a neck peg. This isn't really my aesthetic, but I do like it. I like her baggy little cargo pants. I like this like simple top. It feels like is there a lot of hair in here? Oh. Yeah, I'd say it's like pretty decent rooting. Her face is real cute. It's very posable. So her joints are kind of stiff. I believe probably because I just opened her. This doll's from Jakks Pacific, which I don't really know much about. I don't know if I own many dolls from them. I like literally have no idea. Kind of looking at it, I sort of wonder what it would look like on a rainbow high body because the head is giving me like similar size to that, but that's just my inner need to hybrid literally every doll. Yeah. Like feeling her face sculpt. She has little holes in her shoes that you can put the skateboard on, and then she can like stand on it, which is cool. Can I do it? Oh, that's actually really cute because it could sort of act as a doll stand too. I assume. Ah, ma'am. Her head is. She's very top heavy, so. All right. I know. I feel like yeah. Girly Pop is standing. So, that's actually really cool. Chicken wee! I also like that this is kind of a tech deck. I like it. It comes with stickers. Oops. It comes with stickers so you could like decorate it. I think that's just like a very adorable interactive thing. She comes with a brush, which is very, very small for all of this hair. The hair is, by the way, really nice. They're used to opening up Monster High dolls that I just don't really like. The hair they use, I don't know, I think it's saran, maybe it's nylon. I'm really not good at identifying hair, but this hair is really soft, like really, really soft. And it's just nice. It's thickly rooted. It's a little crusty right here, but I don't know, whatever. I am extremely, what else does she come with? Oh, she comes with like a necklace It looks like one of those like beaded necklace. Like I just feel like I saw a lot of these when I was younger. I don't know if anybody else is still wearing these, where it has like the shell. I don't know. I feel like this doll shops at Pacific somewhere. I think this is a bracelet. I don't even know. Yeah, I think it's a bracelet. I mean, I assume. Her neck is very thick, so I don't think it's fitting up there. But, you know, I think this is very cute, just like for customizing purposes. I think the only thing is, like I naturally just kind of think of dolls in, like, if I can hybrid them or just play around with them basically in that way. And I think this doll's body is like really adorable. She has flat feet, by the way, which is interesting to see. I think if you were to use the body with a different head, you would probably have to like sand the head down. Her neck is just really thick, and I think it makes sense for this doll, like this size head, but I think if you put any other head on here, it would look really goofy. Like her neck would just look real thick, because she's pretty petite, but she has a real fat neck, and that's great for this big ass head. So that's what her body looks like. She's pretty poseable. This is kind of a cute option if you guys like to customize, or if you just like sporty dolls or dolls with articulation. I just really like seeing new dolls on the market, and seeing this one so articulated for like basically $20. It was like $22 I think altogether. Has the little accessories, full articulation, pretty hair. I think it's very cool, and I hope other people pick them up so they don't just disappear off the shelves quickly. I love her though from a customizing standpoint, and also just like a doll collector standpoint. She does feel similar to other dolls I've seen. Like there was a line that came out, what was it? I think I bought one of the dolls, and it's somewhere deep in my closet. I'll put the doll like on the screen because I know I can like find it in my emails, because I did purchase one, but it's kind of giving me like those vibes, but like a smaller body, if that makes sense. And I was sort of wondering if they're from the same company. She's just a really great doll for a really inexpensive price. I love more and more like expensive fashion dolls, like the $26 to $30 range, but it's really cool to see one for $20, because it kind of, I don't know, I feel like there was like a point when like all of the dolls were like going towards $30, and it just felt really expensive if you were someone like a kid or a parent who doesn't have money for that. So yeah guys, let me know if you've seen these at Target. Like this video if you like this video, subscribe, makes me happy, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Bye.